What is Merge Polygon Tool? The Merge Polygon Tool operates by identifying polygons that share common boundaries or overlap and merging them into a single, larger polygon feature. It helps to analyze data by consolidating multiple polygons into a more manageable and coherent dataset. Merge Polygon Tool helps to reduce data complexity and improves data manageability, improves analysis by eliminating overlaps and gaps, and provides a clearer representation. Its applications span diverse domains, like land use planning, healthcare planning, and protected areas management. In protected areas management, the Merge tool helps to combine individual protected area boundaries to create larger conservation reserves. But now, are you struggling to find a platform that simplifies polygon merging? Look no further. Let us introduce you to MAPOG. Now we can have a detailed look on how MAPOG simplifies Merge Polygon Tool with protected area management. Begin by opening Map Analysis interface from MAPOG. Next, add protected area polygons to the map. For this, click on Add Upload, then select Add GIS Data. Select the country. Find out and add protected area polygon. Click on pencil icon near untitled map text and then save the map with a suitable name. Click on Action and then the pencil icon to rename the layer. Enter a suitable name and save it. Now, let's merge the protected areas. Click on Process Data and then select Merge Polygon. Select the protected area layer. We can merge the polygons in two ways, using Lasso tool or selecting polygons manually. First, let us use the Lasso tool. Click on the Lasso tool and select any of the given drawing methods and then plot a polygon intersecting the desired polygons in the map which you want to merge. We can either create a new layer with merged polygons while keeping the uploaded polygons as such, or we can update the uploaded data with merged polygons. Here, let us create a new layer. Next, we can do the merge action by selecting the polygons manually. For this, click on Select Manually option. Then select the polygons to be merged in the map by left-click. Finally, create a new layer or update the layer. Finally, we have a map for protected areas management which enhances data organization by simplifying boundaries and supporting informed decision-making. This analysis benefits various stakeholders, including conservation organizations, government agencies, and researchers and scientists, etc., for conserving and preserving our natural heritage for future generations. In a similar fashion, the Merge Polygon tool can be applied across various sectors to create maps that meet specific requirements and objectives. Don't forget to explore more tools and products in MAPOG. Thanks for watching. For any queries, reach out to us at support@mapog.com.